Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and right now we have to focus on this option bar and find the settings. If you cannot find them, if for some reason they are not here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and they should appear right here. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it, and I will pick maybe Assyrian. And as you can see right now we can also choose the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on Done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list, so we can go back to the keyboard and check how it will work. So actually we've got two differences. First of all, we have to take a look at the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. From now on we've got the name of the language we are currently using. What's more, here we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language actually. So as you can see right now I am typing English, but after tapping on this icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian. Just tap on it again, and as you can see, the same situation, we can easily switch through the languages. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need to have two different languages applied. So we have to go back to the settings, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove. In my case it will be obviously Assyrian, and tap on this trash bin icon. We are left with only the English, so we just got back to the very first step of this tutorial, and as you can see we cannot find the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty, so it means that we can only type in English right now. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.